Hello friend, welcome again your own channel. So today's video is going to be very special for all the viewers because today I am going to tell you about any Android phone because many complaints are coming in the comment section like Redmi, Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Samsung. So today's video is only for all this and all the Android phone because which is very valuable. Just follow with us and unlock your phone. You just have to watch this video till the end without a skip. Then you can understand the whole process and you can unlock any Android phone. So let's start the process. So as you can see that the handset that I have is pin locked. Now you can see this phone is pin locked and you will see below it that an emergency call will also be visible here. As we you have to press on it. So the process that is being used here is called offline method, and none of your application and data will be deleted in this video. So you one thing you have to take care that your phone should be minimum charge 40 to 50% and your phone must in flight mode. So this is the main important thing because this is fully offline method. If you completed if your phone is in flight mode, now you can take next step for the unlocking process. So now you can see the emergency calls option is already open in your screen. So I am going to share you some master unlocking code for any Android phone, and this is very and this is applicable up to March 2023. So this code is very important for all the viewers. So if you want to note down, note down, and if you want to take a screenshot, you will take a screenshot star hash 955 triple eight star 745 and hash. Now we have to press 5 time calls button here. Ignore this code, ignore this message, pop-up message, call failed option is coming, so no issue. After that you have to erase this number and apply the emergency calls option. So this code is a star hash 899 and hash, you can know very well. After that you can see engineer mode page is open. Now check manual test and press your device debugging page. Check proximity sensor test and go. There are three options is coming. So in proximity calibration we have to press and confirm here in OK by OK button and check your, and the most important and other last option is others option. So now you can see Android version. What is your Android version? So first we have to check again your software version. Whatever your software version, Android version is 12. This is the most important step. Android version is 12. So now we have to again press in manual test and go with the last others option, and whatever your database version or mainboard version, so press your same number 12. I'm going to press 12 because my Android version is 12. So now if your similarly your Android version is 8 9 10, just you apply the same number here and rewrite important log test, confirm here, and now you can see wrong password is coming. So now it's turn after completing all the process that our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise let's press the home button and see whether our phone is unlocked or not. As you can see friend, our phone is unlocked without any loss of data or application. So I hope you like this video. Then you can see in my I will see you in the next video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.